Hey, welcome back everyone to the Option Profit Formula Success Academy. So it's been a while since I posted a video, but in this one, I am going to take you on my 3X growth strategy journey. This is going to be day one. So stick around and let's get started. Okay, so what is the 3X growth strategy that I'm talking about? Well, this is actually a strategy that we teach our members in the Success Academy. And although I'm not going to show you guys exactly how this strategy works, because that just wouldn't be fair to our members that pay to learn this strategy, I am going to take you on my journey. And I'm going to start with something I did. This is called the 3X Growth Strategy Backtest Case Study. So what I did, and I did this for our members in the members area, is I wanted to show folks how the strategy works during a bear market. Now, a caveat here and some quick disclaimers and admin notes. For the first part, I am not a financial advisor, okay? So I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you what securities or options to trade or how to trade securities or options. And I'm certainly not going to recommend anyone use their real money if they're going to follow along with this growth strategy or anything we talk about here in the Success Academy, especially on these YouTube videos. Always consult a professional. Never use your real money unless you know exactly what you're doing. But I will leave links down below that will allow you to sign up for some courses that teach you how to do this stuff. So for those of you that are not familiar with options trading, some of this may go a little bit over your head. I'll try and cover things as we go through the case study to kind of help you along if you're new to options. And for those of you that are seasoned options traders that use different strategies, hopefully this is another one that you can look at to put in your arsenal of option trading strategies. So, all right, so let's just go ahead and move on now that we got that out of the way. Let's talk about what I did here. So basically what I did was, so I have Thinkorswim. I use TD Ameritrade and I have the Thinkorswim platform, and that has an awesome proprietary software called ThinkBack where I can go back in time, and I have done back testing during the 2007-2009 market crash, but not with this strategy. With this strategy, I decided I was going to go back in time and test it during our recent 2020 bear market. Now, another caveat here, no two bear markets are the same. Okay, so even though this study can show you how it played out during that bear market, there's no guarantee it would play out exactly the same way. But I'm here to tell you that that doesn't really matter because the whole point of this journey that we're going to take is I'm going to show you how I eliminate's a strong word, but I'm going to show you how I eliminate my emotions on what's going on in the market so that they don't affect me in a negative way to my trading. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of go through, I'm not going to go through all the steps I did here, but basically what I'm going to cover a few highlights here. So when I started this backtesting strategy, I started it on the very first trading date of 2020, which happened to be January 3rd. And I modeled 3 different accounts, a 10, 25, and 50K account. And what I use here is MarketClub. So many of you that have watched my videos before know how I feel about MarketClub. MarketClub is like a staple in how we teach our students. It's not a requirement, but it's well worth the small little investment it takes to be a MarketClub member. So I used MarketClub because our 3X growth strategy does use MarketClub, even though it does show you how to use moving averages. So MarketClub is what I use to basically get in and out of my trades. Okay, so So I'm just going to highlight the very first part. So in the very beginning, when I bought my call options, you can see about a month and a half later, uh, I was getting a Market Club signal to get out. And that's what I did. And I lost about 50% on my call options. And because I was risking 30% of my account on these call options, the reality is it decreased my account size by about 15%. It's not exact numbers here between the three accounts because it's all based on how much I invested in the call options, and those numbers don't always work out exactly the same. But it was roughly 15% of a loss. Okay, so you can see that here. So let's just look at the 10K account. If you had $10,000, we invested 2,800 in options, which reduces our account size from 10 to 7,100. And then because we lost 50% on those options, we got out at $1,500, sold them back at $1,500. So you can see our account was reduced by about 23 and some change. Okay, almost $2,400. We lost about 2,400 bucks. Okay, so then we fast forward to when we got our next Market Club signal and we were able to get back in. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here and kind of show you the ending result when I got out of the market on the 31st of December in 2020. Here is how our 3x growth strategy played out. We started with 10 grand and we ended with $29,980, and that's 199.8% return on our investment. And it's actually not a return on our investment because I never had all $10,000 invested in the stock market. It's actually a much better return if you base it on the risk, because this was the original risk amount that we started. And the whole point of the 3x growth is we want to 3x that risk. So if we take 2886 and multiply it times 3, this is the return I'm shooting for. Now, another quick caveat here is that even though I did close this back test out on the 31st of December, there is no time frame that we trade our strategies. And what do I mean by that? When I start my strategy, and even when I'm starting with new clients or new students, we don't wait until January 1st. So, for example, if you started as a Success Academy member today, I wouldn't tell you, okay, we're going to wait till January 1st before we start implementing the strategy. We can implement this strategy at any given time. And again, we use a template to do it. So, okay, having said all that, let me get this out of the way here and bring up my Thinkorswim platform. So I'll be right back. Let me bring up that Thinkorswim platform and we'll get going here. Okay, so here we go. So you can see on the screen here that I already have the 3x growth strategy going here. Okay, so I have a couple different options playing out, and this is what I'm doing for Success Academy members. And this just kind of gives you a good example. Let's just take this one here. I'll show you when I created that trade. So if we go to view trade, so I got into this trade in February 23rd. So just about near the end of February, March. So we're about 7 months into the trade. Okay, and you can see I invested $5,300 into this trade. I'm sorry, I invested $3,200 into this trade, and it's now worth $5,300 bucks. So it's at about a $2,100 profit. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Now, how are we going to go with our journey? So let's go to Market Club here. So I've got Market Club pulled up, and if you don't have Market Club, that's okay. But you're not really going to be able to totally follow along with me. So I'll leave some links down below. You can test drive Market Club. There's a couple different ways you can test drive Market Club. You can test drive Market Club, the software for, I think right now they have a 30-day test drive for $1, or you can actually test drive one of Travis's Market Club options programs. And so I'll leave some links down below that you guys can click on and check it out. But now I will tell you this. Again, I'm not going to show you the full strategy because that's for our paying members, but I do want to, the whole goal of these videos and what they've always been when I place a video is to encourage you guys to show you, because I started where probably every one of you are starting today, where I knew nothing about options and I tried to learn for free, and that took me so far. And then I realized, okay, if I want to accelerate my success, I really need to adopt a mentor or tag along with a mentor and find a program that works. So I was fortunate enough to find Travis in the Success Academy early on, and I've taken other courses, and um, they just weren't as they just didn't fit my profile, I guess is the best way to put it. So, not saying that our course is the best and the only course, although I believe it is, just because of the success I've had with it. But you can learn the same things from others. So there's three charts I pay attention to whenever I'm trading options, and these are the first three I always look at: the S&P 500, the Dow, and the NASDAQ. And I want these things to be in alignment with my trading. So I'll give you a tip. I've given it before in other videos, but um, this is what most investors know. And it's shocking when I see people don't follow this. But you always want to trade in the direction of the markets. When you try to trade against the markets, it's like swimming upstream. It's not impossible. It's not there's people that do make money doing it, but it's much more difficult. It's so much easier swimming downstream than upstream. So I always trade in the general direction of the markets. Okay, so everything I talk about when I'm doing something, it's going to be trading in the general direction of the markets. So if you're following along with the markets right now, let's go look at a chart over here, and we look at SPX. We can see we've got this humongous pullback, and that line there. I think I put that line there. Oh, that was a MarketClub price level I was looking at, but we're at about a 5% correction to the market, and there's a lot of selling going on. And there's a lot of people that are panicking and they're fearful of this. And I'm not. And I'll explain why. It's because of MarketClub. I knew this was going to happen way back here. This red daily or red weekly triangle told me that, hey, we're in for some pressure. And if you were to zoom in on that, you can see that red weekly gets you really out of the nastiest part of the down market. Okay. As a matter of fact, if we go back to the bear market, you can see that again here. Oops, I can't do it that way. You can see that again here. See how the weekly alerted you? And then, we got a monthly way before the market even started its really bad trend down. This is probably at about a 10% correction, that monthly. So anyway, so that's what I do. I look at all three of these, and same thing. Look at the Dow. Sometimes sometimes you'll see things happen here before you see them happen here, and vice versa. And it just has to do with the type of market. Remember, the Dow is just tracking 30 of the biggest companies. So sometimes you can see how these dips are a little bit more gradual as opposed to the S&P, and that's just the nature of the market. So let me put this back to 1 year. So you can see though, the Dow, the S&P 500, and now the NASDAQ finally came on board, and it came on board about 7 days later with a red weekly. These trend scores are things we look at. So negative 60 on all of them. So this tells me that, okay, we're not going to do anything. So I'm not going to begin my 3x growth strategy challenge yet, or journey, because I need to wait for the market to sort itself out. And what do I mean by that? Well, I'm waiting for either this red weekly to turn into a green weekly, or this red weekly to turn into a red monthly. Now, if it turns into a red monthly, it means our 3x growth strategy is going to be extended when we can start it. What do I mean by that? I mean that we won't be getting into the market because I don't trade against the general market. Okay, so let me explain somewhat what we're going to do and, well, what I'm going to do. And if you're following along, you'll notice this is a paper trading account. And I hope anyone following along is doing this in paper, because if you're doing this in real money, don't blame me if you lose it all, because that's what's going to happen if you try to implement this strategy in real money. You're probably going to lose it because you're not going to know when to do certain things. Remember, the whole point of this strategy, I'm showing you this strategy in real time to show you how our 3x growth works. So again, what we're going to do when I get the right signal, I'm going to go as far out as I can. And I'm going to, let me change this over to single, and let me actually change it over to SPY. I'm going to actually buy a call option on SPY. Okay. So when that happens, I will buy one of these long dated call options. Now, I will tell you right now, let me change these strikes to all. Call options right now are pretty expensive, and they're expensive because volatility is way up over here. Okay, so what's going to happen here is we are going to wait for our signal, and when we get our signal, we're going to go ahead and start the strategy. So what you're going to need to do if you're going to follow along with this, the first thing you're going to need to make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and you hit the notification bell. The notification bell is going to tell you each and every time I post a new video. So this one's going to be posted on a weekly basis. So today is Friday, so every Friday I'm going to post a video. However, what I will tell you is that if I get my signal prior to my next recording, I will record early to actually implement the strategy. Because what I do is I go into MarketClub every day and I'm looking for my next signal that tells me what to do. Okay, so that's where we're going to go. That's going to be our journey. Each week I'll put out a new video. It will not be as long as what we're showing you or what this video was. And I will leave links to MarketClub. Now, just a caveat, the links I leave below will not be to this particular strategy. They are to MarketClub options. I'll leave you a link to that where you can learn how to trade MarketClub options, which will really gear you towards learning this strategy as well. And you'll be able to learn this strategy later on after you've learned MarketClub options. It also, if you're not familiar with options at all, there's an option MarketClub options boot camp that Travis teaches. It's a 3-day boot camp. And it's 3 days, but it's on your own. You're doing it on your own, but it'll teach you the basics of options, which is critical to being able to trade options successfully. And then in the 2022 year, so beginning in 2022, I haven't pinned down a date yet. The Success Academy will no longer be open for new students. It's just going to be for our existing students. However, we will be opening a new course, at which point I'll be teaching these strategies as well. So you will have the opportunity to get into a course to learn how to do this 3x growth strategy and the other strategies that we teach our Success Academy members. Okay, so that's it, you guys. You take care. Remember to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. If you have any questions, concerns, or just want to gripe, go ahead and leave us a comment. I can point you in the right direction. For those of you that don't like my YouTube video, you can give it the thumbs down, but do me a favor, leave me a comment. Tell me what you don't like about it so I can make them better. That's the whole point of doing them, okay? So you guys take care, and we will see you in next week's video.